spiritually, and money does as well. Money is a spiritual thing. There's two emotions in this world, fear and love. If you're going off fear, you're going to negativity. And you're going to all these other places, which generally money doesn't follow that. Love and positive energy through your thoughts. You got to renew your mind. You renew your mind, you use different words, your thoughts start changing, then your beliefs start changing, and then all the action happens in your subconscious. 75% of the decisions we make is based on our subconscious, which we don't even control, right? And then we put that out into the world and that manifests. It comes in money or poverty. You have to have goals and plans. There's no luck to this. You know, you might veer left or right, but if you have goals and plans and strict discipline on controlling what's going into your mind and what's going into your heart, great things start coming. Because then you create a God consciousness. So your plans, your knowledge, and then God comes in and it twinkles. And something happens. And like-minded people, that other people who think like you are attracted to you. Right now you're attracting people who think like you on your level. There's probably a level that's down here. Get up here with me. How do you learn how to swim? Kick someone in. You might start here and I'm up here, but you might get stretched to where you end up here or here. But you're not there anymore, so fucking hate you. You dictate the world starting here. Otherwise the world forces you down. It's either or, baby. You're getting attacked or you're attacking. It's simple. Which one's it gonna be? Danny G.